Hello, plant friends. In this episode, we're going to be talking about Syngoniums. I feel like Syngoniums are pretty underappreciated as far as aroids go, but it's really hard to find aroids that are more easy to care for than Syngoniums. So we're going to hang out with ModernRootz again and talk about two of my favorite Syngoniums. Hope you guys enjoy.
Oh, hi. My name is Brandon. Yeah,
really cool.
Everybody loves these right now.
These are worth the hype.
Yeah.
They're very beautiful, right?
They really are.
They're very beautiful. Like, every leaf comes out as a surprise. They all look different. You're not going to have a single leaf that looks like another. Super, super easy to grow, right?
Yeah.
And they grow really fast in a lot of various conditions, right? They're not demanding at all. I really like that they're getting really popular because it's going to bring a lot of people a lot of joy and a lot of beauty, but also like not that much heartache or anxiety, you know what I'm saying?
It's like a nice exotic plant that's for everyone.
I've had my Variegated Syngonium Podophyllum in my collection for quite a while. It's definitely one of the earliest plants I've gotten, and it's been a breeze to take care of. It receives about medium light at my place, super low humidity requirements. I water it variable amounts every week or so. And the only thing I can really say is that it grows towards the light, so I have to rotate it, every so often. But other than that, I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. Since I've had it, I've been able to take multiple cuttings off it and give it to friends. So I highly, highly recommend this plant to basically everybody.
Variegated Friedeck.
Oh, yes.
So, definitely don't want to confuse this with a Syngonium or something, because this little thing is pricey.
This one.
Yeah, this thing is awesome too.
This is also a Syngonium.
The Chiapense.
The Chiapense. I love it when you see them in real life, it really surprises you. And I think this is definitely one of the plants that really surprised me when I saw it in real life. The texture doesn't come out in pictures. Like, it's a very, I don't know how to even describe it. It's like very soft, and yet.
Yeah, it's kind of a.
How would you describe this? It feels like a good.
It feels like a really thin vinyl or something.
Yeah, it looks like, I would say, sort of like a vinyl. It's almost like one of those velvety, like philodendrons. I guess not so velvety, but it's a very fun leaf to feel.
Yeah, and some of them come out have this light and dark green mixture.
Yes,
I think that looks awesome.
Yeah.
We really gave this plant a very thorough tactile analysis. So the Syngonium Chiapense is a plant that I really recently fell in love with. I saw pictures online, but it really didn't speak to me until I saw it in person, and it's just great.
Oh yeah, this will give you a nice idea of.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Of
this
just
is so robust.
Just the form this plant can take.
Yeah, this is a huge one that you have.
Again, a climber. You want to tie it up if you can, or.
Yeah, that one's. Oh, that's a beauty. That is amazing. Yeah.
So,
and also very easy, right? Syngoniums.
Yeah,
super
not
easy.
much to do with this one either.
Yeah, it looks like a plant that would take a lot of effort to grow, right?
Okay,
I think it looks classy. It's it looks very robust and hardy. And I feel like it's one of those plants that you're like, oh, holy crap.
So
wow,
I
did not even see that. Yeah, that thing is.
If you. Let them grow, they really turn into something else. A lot of people don't get the chance to see it if you just take cuttings or whatever you do,
So I want to thank Brandon and ModernRootz again for letting me tour their place. They are ModernRootz, Roots with a Z, on Instagram and eBay. Super, super friendly and really nice and humble. So if you're looking for plant stuff, definitely check out their store. And that's it. Till next time, happy planting.